One more piece of wood. I can still see you.
No, you can't. I'm gonna murder my sister. Yeah.
No, ow! Don't! Mum, tell him don't! Get out! Ow!
You're not gonna die. You missed. You're like, but you missed.
You hit me!
Did it end up hitting you?
It's a fucking game. Will you shut up? He's out. You need to leave.
Okay, I'll leave.
No.
You said leave.
The house.
Okay, I'm gonna. Can you open the door? Wait, it did actually. For me, it did actually open.
I know you're looking at my screen.
Lick up your window. Is there anyone there? Is there anyone at your window?
Like the hand. Mum, look at this. Hello, Dominic dolls. Oh, show Mum what you were just doing. Gee, that's his eyes get. Ah!
Yeah. You're running into. Stop running into the axe. Look, I'm just whacking here, and you're running into the axe. I'm whacking in the middle now, so you can't go by. I got a sword now. Oh.
Yeah. Ow.
You're lucky. You're so lucky. I'm gonna whack there. Nah. Come on.
Oh my God.
I bet I can punch you now.
I want you to leave me. Drop that beast. I don't like it.
Come on, stay there. What's wrong? Can I stay? Yeah.
It's just a magenta, blue and yellow green slime.
I got this for you.
Do you want it? Out.
Say that again.
Look, the top of that matches yourself.
Don't say that to me.
I want to get out of this house. I want to get out.
Who's gonna get it?
Me. Whoever gets in the bed gets this house.
And they get to kill the other person.
We both check if it's not me.
You can.
No, I
Oh my God.
I win.
You're suffocating.
I already got in the bed. You got my bed.
I went in it. No, I
You got my
don't.
bed.
I literally just built this.
Mom.
Hey.
No.
Oh no, Smell, you died. You died somehow, Lissa. So sad.
Don't take my XP.
Shut up.
You got my wood.
I'm giving you your stuff in the chest. I'm giving your stuff in the chest. And the carrots are mine. I am giving you your stuff.
Okay, where am I?
I have no idea.
Since you broke my bed, I don't know where it is.
No. It's really next to spawn, technically. Am I crouching? No. So you should be able to find me.
Oh, creeper! Creeper!
I have hard mode on. Hard mode. So I'll run if you find a skeleton.
Oh, creeper!
I think it's too
Creeper!
high. Is this too high in yours? No, it's not. I know. I collected it. I know I did.
Help! 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 Go to bed! Go to bed! No matter what! Go to bed! Go to bed!
No. I don't have a bed.
Remember, you have your bit where my 2, 3, 6 blocks to put a bed in so it's stand up on the bed and not suffocate.
Okay, ready?
You just go to your bed.
Oh, I just made a barn.
Now you can have a double bed. Wait, did you use my wall?
I got wool myself.
Oh yeah, your grey wall. I forgot.
What do you mean that's not mine?
I
I
killed
can't-
2 white sheep.
I can't get to sleep. There are monsters nearby.
Oh. We're gonna-
You. Do you know if you crouch, they can't see you.
At my house. Sorry,
No.
picking up
Me,
me.
you die, you die, you die. Me.
Ooh, arrow. Ow!
My arrow.
No, I'm almost done.
Shut up!
Thanks for the arrow. Oh, I love when my carrot's back. I'm gonna quit in a second. And you can't say no. Because I can.
I'm making you a torch.
I don't need a torch.
So you can see.
Yes, sir. I don't have anything.
I did.
You did.
Oh. Yes, we can go to bed.
Look what I just did for you.
We can go to bed.
Yeah, I turned on my dog.
Why did you leave it open?
Oh.
Don't. Yeah, it's
Morning.
morning.
See?
Okay. Don't knock the.
He does. Mine now.
Where's my pickaxe?
Pickaxe. That's your pickaxe.
You used my pickaxe, didn't you?
That's actually. No, mine broke. I have 2 shovels. Nope. I think I have your axe though.
Yes, you do.
I will. Are you gonna get out? Come out this way. Okay, just come out this way. I'll make it easy for you if you come this way. I'm gonna get rid of the skins from Minecraft thing. Skins.
Oh my god. Why? Look.
Okay, I'm gonna get rid of skins from Minecraft.
Ow.
Where's Minecraft? What skins from Minecraft while I was on? Really?
Should we both download a map?
We're gonna have fun playing it. I'm playing PTD. Because I'm a boss today. And tomorrow. And the day after. And the day after. Oh my god, I'm